Out on the streets right now. I unfortunately recently became homeless.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, so right now I'm trying to set myself back up, find a new job. Without having an apartment, I have no place to leave her during the day. I've got options now. When I first got out on the streets before I met Cheryl, I didn't have any options. I didn't know what I was ever going to do to try and find a job.
And do you think sometimes it's the pets that get you through those really dark days?
It is totally the pet that gets through.
And that's why this environment is starting to give the hope for those
It is,
that are in need.
Yeah, I was, sorry.
Oh, God love you.
Just very depressed at first because I didn't know what I was ever going to do. How do you get back on your feet, you know?
It's nice that there's that next step to get to that.
It is. It opens new doors to, you know, to give you hope, to know that it's going to turn out.
Meeting Linda and Freya was so moving. While the kids gave Freya a cool bath, Rachel and I formulated a plan to help Linda get back on her feet.
Yeah.
Linda, we're so grateful that she introduced us to you, and what we would like to do is offer you some accommodation for you and for Freya.
Oh my gosh, really? You're going to make me cry.
While you get yourself back on your
We've
feet.
already made us cry, so this is fair then.
Thank you.
Also, we have some connections here in this town with maybe some financial advice and just some help getting you back on your feet.
Oh, God, I'd love it. Thank you guys so very much. Definitely. Oh, thank you. It's been totally amazing. I just cannot believe that I'm actually here in this new room.
I've got a great mate that lives here in Vegas. The company's called Fortress Credit Pro, and they work with people's credit. He's really professional. He knows what he's talking about. He loves to help people to get to that next level.
That would be absolutely amazing. I've been praying that I would be able to have somebody that would be able to help me with my finances and my credit.
So it's looking good, isn't it?
It feels so good. Oh, my God.
I love you, mate. Mate!
Hey!
Hiya, Rondi! Meet Linda.
Hi, Linda.
Hi, Randy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
How are you, mate?
Good.
You're looking good.
Thanks.
What's going on?
Just living the dream. What's the dog's name?
Her name is Freya.
Come here.
So yesterday, Rondi, we had a big day. So Rachel had been working for the last week, finding out what can we do to give back. Why we're here in Vegas, and that's why we called you. And so let's do this.
Yeah, as a kid, I spent the first 5-6 years in and out of women's shelters because my mom, not the greatest place.
They do their best to help you with what they have for their means.
Now we're here, and we're going to do something awesome because this guy's the best in the business. He's going to make it work.
Yeah. Well, good. Well, have a seat. Let's see what I can do to help you.
I'm very excited. Thank you very much. What had happened was that I unfortunately made some bad decisions with my money, finances. I do need some help with some assistance trying to get my debt figured out and get my finances back in shape again.
Well, good. Well, I founded Fortress 11 years ago, so we're America's first paid-on performance or paid-for-results company, where we fix people's credit. We get their credit card debt dismissed, your credit, your taxes, your debt, whatever you got, we're going to help you with.
Oh, yay, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so very much.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's exciting, isn't it?
It's very exciting.
Good on you, mate.
Thank you.
So awesome. Rondi, can't thank you enough.
Oh, my God.
See you soon.
Thank you.
Hey guys, holy cow, 2 years, a little more already. Hi Freya. Things are really going good. Have started my own business as a travel agent. Freya's my model. Say bye, Freya. Bye.